Hello, Scrappy Peeps! Suzanna here today for a cherry on top, and I am sharing with you the August cherry box. Are you ready? Let's give it a go. So, this month you are going to get the delightful collection from PinkFresh Studio, and y'all know I love PinkFresh Studio, and as well as again the mixed media bit are these really fun gems, and these will be a different color depending on what ends up in your box. That's where the variety is going to come from, as well as these PinkFresh polymer clear stamps called Happy Dance. So some fun florals that you could watercolor or just stamp, and then some fun sentiments. You make me happy dance. Every time I think of you, I smile. You're the best. Sending a big sincere thank you. So those are the, and then I have, for my gems, I got clear ones. They look kind of like diamonds. They're kind of cool. So I'll sprinkle a few in my hand, and so you can see that literally that is, I don't know if I can get a close enough zoom, that is literally diamond shaped, and different sizes of those gems in there. So let me carefully sprinkle those back. So some fun sparkle to add to your pages or cards, if that is your thing. So I'll start with the pattern papers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe it's 6, 5, 6, I lied, 7, is that right? Am I missing one? 7 seems like 8 pattern papers. And I will go through those for you. So this sort of variegated grid, and a yellow on the diagonal, a fun floral again on the diagonal. I like that PinkFresh does things on the diagonal, and then a sort of pinky corally plaid. It's a giant plaid, really. That's fun. That's cool. And some cut apart cards with a fun sort of stitched floral with triangles. Gray, teal, aqua. This is actually the Brighter Days collection, not the Delightful collection. I just happened to notice that, just FYI. So everything else is Delightful. This is Brighter Days. Yep, all the rest are Delightful. So some fun florals. I love that watercolored background there. Some phrases. Those are fun. That could be fun to cut out like windows, and then put your picture there, or picture in the center there. Might be fun. Although I really like that too. Another giant plaid, tone on tone greens, and fun background. That makes a nice light background, and some, I'm going to call them seed packages, but they're not. They look like seed packages, right? But some fun florals there. Those might be fun to fussy cut those out, although you may not need to with the embellishments. And that's cool because they're kind of like fans, floral fans, we'll call them. So those are the pattern papers. Then you also get, I love this scripty font in all the different colors of Delightful. So those are the alphas, puffy stickers that come with the box. And then you also get, those are the embellishments that go with the kit. So a full pack of embellishments, as always. I love that the tags for PinkFresh Studio have those 2 holes. It's different, it's unique. I really like that. And then you also get from the Delightful collection these vellum embellishments. So as you can see, the vellum is always, so it has an opaque clear. See, if I put that down, you can see through it. But I also love that there are some gold foiled pieces in this as well. So this says be a light. So that, as well as you get the chipboard flare. So cool colors, bright colors, fun colors, and lots of potential. So be sure to check out the description box for a link to where you can subscribe or buy one-offs if there are any available. And be sure to check back in a couple of days to see what it is that I create with this. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.